Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to send money to a bank account. So from using Wise, the purpose actually from Wise is helping you to get your money out of PayPal or any other platform that you have your money in. So how you can actually use that and how you can send money to your bank account, that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So first of all guys, I will need you to go to your phone and open Wise application, or if you are using your PC, you just have to open any kind of browser and open Wise. So as you can see here is Wise page. Now if you haven't an account already, you click on here and register. Here put your email address and then you put your phone number and then some information, then your password. Or you can just skip all of that by using one of these login options like Gmail, Facebook or Apple accounts. Now after you finish, you log in and the page will be open just like that. So let me just go back to the front page and here it is. So now what you will have to do in order to start sending money to your bank account, you can click on send money. Basically that's it. Here you choose the currency that you want to transfer. The currency that, for example, you have euros in your account of Wise and your currency in your bank account is, for example, dirham, like me. So what you have to do is international euros to dirhams, and here you choose whether you want low cost transfer, easy transfer or fast transfer, and you have to choose whatever you like and then click on continue. After that you choose your personal account or business account. So in our case we choose personal account. Here we will fill our details information. They must also be correct and legal, because later on they will ask you for a review and for some pictures and some proofs that this is you. After that you will be able to pay and send money to your bank account and from your bank account to your Wise wallet. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.